For 15 years, Kerriff has been walking with this horrific limp. He was qualifying for a professional cricket team, had a very high intensity fall, and it's so unfortunate that in Jamaica he couldn't get medical services, surgical services, or expertise. Kerriff, although he had this horrific limp, he still did everything he could in his power to help us and assist us on this medical mission. With every patient that we stopped at, every house we stopped at, he got himself out of the driver's seat, went and opened gates, even though he had this horrific limp. And it was that passion that I saw in him, that compassion to help everyone, that drew on my heart to bring this gentleman to Fort Worth.
So he'd had a broken femoral head, which is the ball part of the ball and socket joint of the hip. A portion of the ball had remained inside of his hip and it moved around and caused a pretty significant amount of arthritis. As that arthritis progressed, his hip joint was able to actually start to slowly sublux or dislocate and come out of the socket. That had made his arthritis significantly worse, and it also had resulted in some significant length changes in his leg, to where his leg was unable to reach the ground whenever he was standing to walk, even with putting his toe on the ground. So afterwards, what we were able to do is remove the broken pieces of bone as well as the arthritic femoral head and create a new hip joint for him.
So yesterday around 2 p.m. was my surgery, and I am up and walking today. Less than 24 hours, I am walking without pain. So I think that's a blessing. This is like a dream come true. I've always dreamed of this. It's been years.
I came in just at the right time when the physical therapists were standing him off the bed. And I can just see the shock, the surprise, almost like a baby who's walking and taking steps for the first time in their life. I saw the look in his face, the smile, the disbelief almost that he was able to stand on both legs upright. And I can see that this light has been lit again inside of Kerriff, and I can see that gift that we have given him here in Fort Worth is something that he can carry on with him.
I felt like crying, still feel like crying right now, but this will be tears of joy. So yeah, it's amazing. And I just wanted to say thanks for this opportunity. It's a blessing.